Okay, this is room 1808. It's the Sky Tower full harbor view room, so they say. So let's have a room tour. So when we enter, we can see the espresso machines, and now we have a lovely bed with a very nice painting in the background. And when we pan down, you can see there's a sofa chair put in front of the bed. Quite a clever design, a nice mirror. And the full-size working table. And let's check out the view. Oh well, kind of slightly disappointing, I must say, because it's not exactly the best part of the harbor, but still it's harbor view and you get a good view of the swimming pool, which at the moment, because of the pandemic, is fully closed. You can see the water's been drained out. Never mind. So with a huge smart TV, it's a Panasonic brand, and onwards we're going to the bathroom. 2 sinks, a nice bathtub, and a shower facilities with rain showers, the standard things, and of course the toilet is separated and with a kind of a walk-in room thing. Yes, so that concludes the room tour. Not bad at all, actually, for the price. I'm very happy. But the only disappointment is that the checkout time has to be at 11, which I think for standard practices of most hotel, 11 a.m. is a bit early. 12 is better, but never mind for the price.